Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious peanut butter Rice Krispie treats. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 6 cups of crispy rice cereal, 1 cup of your favorite peanut butter, and 10 ounces of mini marshmallows. Don't forget 1/4 cup of butter. Also, make sure to lightly grease a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. This preparation ensures a smooth process for our tasty dessert. Now, let's start cooking. In a large saucepan, melt 1/4 cup of butter over low heat. Once the butter is fully melted, add all 10 ounces of your mini marshmallows. Keep stirring constantly with a spatula. It's important to maintain low heat to prevent burning. Continue stirring until the marshmallows are completely melted and form a smooth, gooey mixture. This forms the sticky base for our treats. With our marshmallow base ready, remove the saucepan from the heat. Immediately add 1 cup of peanut butter to the warm marshmallow mixture. Stir vigorously until the peanut butter is fully incorporated and the mixture is smooth and uniform. Next, gently fold in the 6 cups of crispy rice cereal. Make sure every piece of cereal is thoroughly coated with the delicious peanut butter marshmallow goodness. This step is key. Finally, transfer the entire mixture into your prepared 9 by 13-inch pan. Using a buttered spatula or a piece of wax paper, press the mixture down firmly and evenly into the pan. This ensures your treats hold their shape. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. Let the treats cool completely at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. Once cooled, cut them into squares and enjoy your homemade peanut butter Rice Krispie treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.